In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate through pages in Gmail. Whether you're someone who receives hundreds of emails every day, or you're just trying to stay organized, knowing how to effectively move from one page to the next in your Gmail account can be very helpful. Let's dive into it. First, you're going to need to open your preferred web browser and go to Gmail by typing mail.google.com in the address bar. Once you're logged into your Gmail account, you'll find yourself on the home page, where you'll typically see a list of your emails. This list could be quite long depending on how many messages you've received. Gmail automatically shows you a limited number of emails per page, usually around 50, and sometimes you need to access the next page to view older emails that aren't immediately visible. Now, to proceed to the next page in your inbox, you need to look towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll notice a gray bar which displays the range of emails currently visible, like 150 of X, with a couple of small arrow buttons next to it. This range indicates where you are within your email list. To go to the next page and see the subsequent batch of emails, simply click on the right arrow. This action will move you forward, revealing the next set of messages in your inbox. Similarly, if you want to go back to the previous page, maybe to revisit an email you just saw, you need to click on the left arrow. This will allow you to navigate backward, returning you to the earlier list of emails. It's a simple process, yet knowing where to click can save you time and trouble, especially when searching for specific messages. If you're managing multiple emails, using Gmail's search functionality can further streamline your workflow. You just need to enter keywords or email addresses into the search bar at the top to locate specific emails. This feature can help you jump directly to the relevant email, sometimes bypassing the need to flip through pages. An extra tip for power users is to customize the number of emails displayed per page. Head over to the settings accessed via the gear icon in the top right-hand corner and click See All Settings. Under the General tab, you can adjust the maximum page size to show more emails per page if that suits your browsing habits better. Remember, mastering these small tricks within Gmail doesn't just keep your inbox organized, it also improves your workflow, making it faster and more efficient. So there you have it, how to navigate through your Gmail pages seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful as you manage your emails.